रसोई के रहस्य आओ मिलकर खोले हम। सब्जी दाल मसाले इन सबको टटोले हम। रसोई के रहस्य आओ मिलकर खोले हम। सब्जी दाल मसाले इन सबको टटोले हम। रसोई के रहस्य आओ मिलकर खोले हम। रसोई के रहस्य आओ मिलकर खोले हम।
नमस्कार, रसोई के रहस्य के इस नए एपिसोड में आप सबका स्वागत है। एक बार फिर से थर्ड सीजन के एक्सपर्ट टॉक में हम आज एक कंप्लीटली नई कहानी लेकर आपके सामने प्रस्तुत हो रहे हैं। आज हम लोग कुछ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इंफॉर्मेशन जानने वाले हैं जो कि हमने अभी तक जिसके बारे में अभी तक बात करी नहीं है, और आज जो आप सुनेंगे वो आपको सच में बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव लगेगा और आप लोग को अपनी जिंदगियों को हेल्दी तरीके से बिताने की अपॉर्चुनिटी देगा। तो मेरी आज की जो मेहमान है वो बहुत ही स्पेशल है। मेरी इनके साथ बहुत लंबी रिलेशनशिप मेरा बहुत लंबा रहा है इनके साथ, और बहुत सालों से इनको जानती हूँ, खास करके कॉलेज के दिनों से। तो ये हमारे कॉलेज में हमारे न्यूट्रिशन और फूड साइंस वगैरह की लेक्चरर रह चुकी है और हमारे साथ इनका रिश्ता बहुत गहरा है। तो आपको सबको मैं मिलवाने जा रही हूँ मल्लिका जानकीरामन से। मल्लिका मैम, वेलकम टू रसोई के रहस्य।
थैंक यू पायल, इट इज सच अ प्लेजर। मुझे कभी यकीन नहीं था ऐसा मिलेगा हम लोग इस कारण में, and looking forward to it.
Thank you so much, मैम। तो आज का जो एपिसोड रहेगा, हम लोग इतनी देर जो है खाने के बारे में बात करते हैं, रेसिपीज के बारे में बात करते हैं, हम लोग किस चीज को कैसे बेहतर टेस्ट बनाया जाए वो सब बात करते हैं। लेकिन सही तरीके से खाना और हेल्दी क्या है ये हम लोग काफी जन जानते भी हैं, काफी जन नहीं भी जानते, और कई बार इंफॉर्मेशन जो हमारे पास है भूली बिसरी वो गलत इंफॉर्मेशन भी होती है। और हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि वेट मैनेजमेंट, घर में बैठे हैं, किस तरह हमारा एक्सरसाइज होता नहीं है, तो वेट मैनेजमेंट के लिए कई लोग फास्ट करते हैं, कई रिलीजियस रीजंस के लिए फास्ट करते हैं। तो फास्टिंग इज समथिंग के हम लोग बहुत अलग अलग रीजंस के लिए करते हैं। बट अब सही तरीका इसका क्या है, और फास्टिंग किसे कहते हैं और क्यों करते हैं, ट्रेडिशनल फास्टिंग क्या है, और आज के दिन में फास्टिंग क्या है, इसके बारे में हम बहुत सारी जानकारी लेंगे मल्लिका मैम से। तो ओवर टू यू मल्लिका मैम, प्लीज टेक अस थ्रू व्हाट यू थिंक इज नेसेसरी फॉर अस टू नो about fasting historically and as it stands today.
Fasting is something that has become a fashion now. आजकल आप सुनेगा intermittent fasting का word. Religiously or traditionally हम लोग का व्रत रखने का बहुत practice है. It could be either Ramzan where people fast, or in Hindu calendar when there is Navaratri people fast, or some women Fridays में शुक्रवार में fast करते, some people शनिवार fast करते. It is different things, but all these traditional wisdom जो होती है, it comes from science. हम लोग वो जब करने था, that time we don't realize it is science. We think it is God-fearing reasons. But when you look at the way the trend has started on intermittent fasting, we can actually now appreciate there is science behind our religious fasting too. But there are some watch-outs. अगर नवरात्रि में आप देख लिया तो हम लोग fasting करने के बाद actually we start eating a lot of food, high calorie food. एक बार हम लोग over भी करते हैं, we overdo that fasting, because we fasted the whole day, and then what is that when we do that for Karwa Chauth, is it Karwa Chauth?
Yes, it is Karwa Chauth.
For the husband,
yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
I love that because it's so Bollywood famous scenes that you fast and then you overeat after that. Once in a while, that sort of a practice is
Mhm,
okay,
mhm.
but from an objective, अगर हम weight lose करना चाह रहे, which is what is a issue for most of us. अभी a pandemic में बाहर नहीं जा सकते, we can't go to a public park नहीं जा सकते, घर में ही रहना पड़ता, working from home, then you're so busy looking after the household chores, घर में खाना पकाना, बच्चे को देखना, यहाँ जाना, सब काम actually बढ़ जाता, घर का काम और बाहर का
बिल्कुल,
काम.
बिल्कुल.
So कब टाइम भी नहीं मिलेगा हमको, सो कैसा वेट का मैनेज कर सकते, हेल्थी वेट का एक शब्द होता है, which is not the right thing to use anymore. There's nothing like healthy weight. What is good for somebody may not be the right weight for somebody.
Absolutely.
So it is managing your weight, understanding where you are on the scale. It is important. So fasting, while it was religious, I am able to appreciate अभी वो एक science भी है. But there are some pros and cons behind this intermittent fast. There are many different types of fasting. हम लोग weight loss के लिए करते हैं, not fasting, but weight loss program के लिए हम different tools use करते हैं. You would have heard of a paleo diet. You would have heard of a very low calorie diet. You would have heard about a detox diet. You would have heard about keto diet. Each diet has a pro and a con. And it is up to us to choose what suits our body and understand where the gaps are and therefore look out at the watch outs. So maybe we'll go through it. You can ask me some questions. Agar, whatever I can, I will answer some of the top of mind questions you
आप लोग
might
के
have.
पास से आप लोग we will take this information from you, and I'm sure once this gets out to my listeners, there will be a lot more follow-up questions, and we do the follow-up questions with you as well. लेकिन अगर देखा जाए तो जब फास्ट करते हैं तो खासकर ज्यादा करके when you see, at least in our surroundings, we generally see fasting is associated with feasting. कि खाना मतलब पूरा दिन खाना नहीं खाया तो शाम में थाली भर के सब कुछ डाल के खा लिया, because you have not eaten all day. And that practice again is something that people tell us कि फास्टिंग का मतलब बॉडी को रेस्ट देना है, सिस्टम को रेस्ट देना है. ये नहीं है कि पहले पूरा दिन भर सिस्टम को रेस्ट दो और उसके बाद में then you stuff yourself. So what would you like to tell us about that?
So when you look at the way you fast, normally when people fast, they break it in the evening, okay? And then the time between an evening and your dinner is not much. So you cramp the amount of calories you need to have in that 4-hour period or a 6-hour period. But in the intermittent fasting, दो तरीका है, which is recommended, not recommended, which is followed, which has a more of pros than cons. One of them is 16-8. उसका मतलब है आप लोग 16 hours fast कर सकते और 8 hours जो मिलते हैं उसमें आप whatever calories you need, अगर it could be 1,500 calorie per day, आप उसको वो time में fulfill करना चाहिए. Which means आप लोग you'll have 3 or 4 small meals within that 8-hour gap. अगर आप समझो आप सुबह उठने वाले हैं, okay, and आपको कॉफी के बिना नहीं चलेगा दिन, नहीं तो चाय के बिना नहीं चलेगा. So you can start early, say 8 o'clock and keep it till 4. So कितना घंटे है? 8 to 4, 8 hours? Correct?
Yes.
Or you start 9 to 5 or 10 to 6, depending on your schedule. एक होते हैं nutrition में, it is very simple basics. हम लोग उसको बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं, हम लोग उसको बहुत ओवर we become over detailed in it. It's just a simple thing of energy in, energy out. और एक लिए at least 3,000 calories excess होना चाहिए to gain a weight. Same way you have to, it is like that. So over a period of time, the 3,000 kilocalories will give you an excess weight of say, you have 7,000 kilograms to put on 1 kilo body weight, or 3,000 kilograms, 3,000 to 3,500 kilocalories to gain a kilo of weight or half a kilo of weight. Now, which means every day, if you have an excess of 500 kilocalories, and we will look at it in the next session as kitna hota, 500 calorie ka equivalent kya hota hai, what are the food you eat that gives you that 500 calories. So imagine it is not an overtime weight gain, or it is not an overnight weight loss. It is a sustained effort that you will be putting on. So usually a weight loss per week should be either not more than a kilo per week. So don't hope for any miracle unless until somebody is going to get married, shadi hone ka hai, I have to fit into that dress. So they go to all sort of treatments, and then they lose that weight, and then they put on as much, because you don't know the body needs some minimum energy to function normally, for the basic, for your heart to beat, for your lungs to breathe, for your brain to work, for your digestive system. It needs energy. So you cannot sustain in thin air. Energy is very important. And that energy is around 1,000, 1,500 or 2,000, depending on what your activity level is. So let me step back a bit and tell you, what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting means you eat on some time and you fast sometime. The fasting can be do tarika hai, as I told you in the beginning. 16-8 uska rule hai, 16 hours आप fast कर लो, रात को जल्दी खाना खा लो, 4 बजे 5 बजे. Then you actually sit down and maybe do some activity or read a book, whatever it is. Go to bed early, get up in the morning, maybe start again eating from 8 o'clock, and then keep eating in split meals, maybe 500 at one time, 500 another time, 500 another, maybe 200 calories in between as snacks. So you have an early dinner, early breakfast, early lunch. That is what you do. Sometimes people want to skip breakfast. Then they start very late in the day. Maybe they'll start with a brunch at 11 o'clock, and then they go on for 8 hours and maybe have a dinner later in the night. But it's better you have dinner early and start your fasting rather than prolong it, because that's when the digestion also happens better. Okay.
But what happens about breakfast? Breakfast का एक, like you just touched upon breakfast, तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि there is a debate about whether a big breakfast is required or not. So, the traditional way of thinking is कि eat a big breakfast, a king's breakfast as they call it, and you eat well, and then बाद में चाहे कम खाओ कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. We'd like to know, at least I'm curious about it, कि and very a lot of diet plans I have seen recommend almost close to no breakfast at all, depending on what kind of diet plan that is. So is there any rule of thumb here that we need to follow, especially for people like us who are relatively sedentary? Because and pandemic में तो बहुत लोग sedentary हो गए, but the nature of the disability keeps us relatively more sedentary than it does other people. Desk jobs हैं, उतना movement नहीं है, exercise होता है, but उतना consistently नहीं होता. So for people like us, what would your recommendation be over a breakfast?
So very good point. What I would recommend is, like, you'll have to understand what your schedule is. I always believed in breakfast, but my lifestyle also sometimes didn't give me that privilege, because when I become very lonely, I don't have company, I would rather not eat and have. So, but you'll have to be conscious as what are you eating when you do not fast, because when you skip breakfast, you are actually prolonging your fasting period or tenure. Okay. And you're starting with a brunch. So your question is breakfast important? Yes. If you start early as a breakfast, we've always believed breakfast like a king, and then lunch like and then dine like a pauper. That's how it used to go. And having worked for a breakfast company, I've always preached breakfast. However, there are different ways the body reacts for different people. If you force any regimen on them, they're not going to follow it. And it's not going to change the behavior. It will be very short-term, temporary, fizzle out. So if you don't have a breakfast and you start at, say, 11 o'clock, then what you have to do, you have to be very careful of what you're eating at lunch so that it is nutritionally dense, load yourself with the right type of proteins, avoid saturated fats or unhealthy cooking methods, have carbohydrates are necessary, but choose more of whole grain carbohydrates than refined carbohydrates. So, and then of course, fill yourself with vegetables and fruit. The new guidelines, I think, even from India, we have increased the vegetable and fruit serving. So you need to have at least 5 serves of vegetables and 2 serves of fruits. The more, the merrier there. So how do you, and then we always think vegetables bol diya, mujhe khana nahi chahiye, mujhe vegetables ghas phus nahi khane ka. No, it's not, you can start liking eating vegetables by changing the method of cooking. Or cheating a bit by putting, if you like keema, then having some vegetable in the keema, maybe having some vegetables along with it. So you can choose. So you can have breakfast, which is good. If you don't have breakfast, then when you start your first meal of the day, be conscious of what you're eating and select from all the food groups. Don't miss out on the food groups. Understand you're not having 24 hours to eat. Okay, you are following a new regime of fasting. Now, normally in any life, 8 hours you sleep or 10 hours you sleep. Okay, which means it leaves you 14 hours and you're trying to schedule your eating style within that 14 hours. Okay, agar hum log intermittent fasting ka tarika follow karna cha rahe, then what do? We schedule it based on convenience, not based on the regiment. हमको अब मेरा ये शेड्यूल है, मैं यहाँ खाएंगे, then I have only 8 hours. 8 hours में my breakfast start करेंगे. नहीं breakfast मुझे मेरा habit में नहीं है, so okay, I'll start late, but I'll be conscious of how I eat, how much I eat, what I eat.
Right.
And believe me, it's like when you आप लोग अगर एग्जाम में एक टर्म मिस कर लिया तो आप दूसरा टर्म में मेकअप नहीं कर सकते. It's very difficult. अरियस तो होता है. ठीक है? So the density of the meal is very important. It's not the quantity of the meal. It is the quality of the meal. उसकी तरीका क्या है? When you eat food, see that it has all the colors, it has all the variety. It's just variety, balance, and moderation. Variety is choosing from different food groups.
Correct.
Moderation is eating more of some foods, less of them. It doesn't mean don't eat anything. And the last one is actually the balance. And then the moderation is not eating too much salt, not being careful about the type of fat you have, and cutting down on your sugar, because sugar gives you empty calories. It's not bad. It gives you taste. In some places, I would always say, have a little sugar if you have to increase your weight. Now, in the other type of fasting, I am maybe going a little fast, but in the other type of fast, which is called 5-2 fasting, intermittent fasting, 5 दिन आप regular खाना खा सकते, regular meals खा सकते, 2 दिन आप लोग fast कर सकते. You can choose those 2 days. अगर मुझे Mondays बहुत time नहीं है, बहुत busy है, और Mondays holiday है, or working from home, you can fast on a Monday, and then 1 day or 2 days gap रख के दूसरा दिन choose कर सकते. Not 2 consecutive days fasting नहीं करने का 5-2 में, because 2 consecutive days means it becomes almost 48 hours of fasting.
Correct.
And that's not healthy. Okay. So when you do a 5-2 rule, that means 5 days of eating properly, 2 days of fasting, but those 2 days should not be next to each other. एक दिन और 2 दिन gap देके
continuous नहीं होना चाहिए.
Continuously नहीं होना चाहिए. But within the meal, you will spread that whatever time you have. Remember, your number of calories is about 1500 to 2000. Okay?
Right.
और उसमें एक secret है, हमारा body का 60 to 70% we need energy just to breathe, for your brains to work. आप लोग कुछ भी नहीं किया तो भी 60% एनर्जी यूज करना चाहिए, 60 to 70%. अगर आप ऐसा इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग किया तो उसका फायदा क्या होता है? इट एक्चुअली इंक्रीजेस योर मेटाबॉलिज्म so that you're able to burn your fat calories much better, so you lose weight. You have to be careful when you're doing a weight loss not to lose your muscle weight. Okay, sometimes हम खाना ठीक से नहीं खाते, fat ऐसा ही रह जाता, but we will be losing some muscle weight, and that's not good. You want to have muscle. So some लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग carbohydrates नहीं खाना, ये नहीं खाना, हम लोग खाली protein खाते. Then what is happening? वो protein जो कीमती चीज होते हैं, protein is from pulses, from meat, from eggs, बहुत कीमती होते हैं. Even affordable की बात करिए तो it's very expensive.
Right.
Now वो protein currency को हम क्या करते हैं? We use it for weight loss. Then you're losing a muscle weight loss. Carbohydrate is for your energy. वो बहुत affordable है. Little bit of healthy fat is also affordable because it gives you a high energy. Protein, kali for your muscle maintenance, growth, for people who are growing, or if mothers are pregnant, the baby has to grow. Protein ka bahut important hai. And so you have to preserve your protein currency. Protein ko currency की तरह आप पालना चाहिए.
So ये जो आप 2 दिन का fasting जो बोल रहे हैं, 5:2. What kind of fasting is this? I mean, what do you recommend for this kind of fasting? 5 days of eating normal food?
Normal food, but quality food. It doesn't mean just 5 days you can binge on anything.
Of course, that
5 days maybe 8. You know, that is where we make a mistake. मुझे freedom मिल गया, मुझे आजाद मिल गया, so 5 days में कुछ भी खाते हैं, but 2 दिन में कुछ भी नहीं खाते. You know, the fasting period में भी एक rule है, एक minimum energy तो चाहिए आपको. और लिमिट है 1/4 of your total requirement. अगर आप समझ लीजिए आपको 2000 किलो कैलोरीज एक दिन में चाहिए और 1500, 25% of that will be anywhere between 500 to 600. उतना तो आपको चाहिए. Okay? Yeah. And then you can have a lot of rehydrate yourself, because the 2 days of fasting you can have hunger, you can have less concentration because your brain doesn't work optimum.
Correct.
And you get tired easily. So iske liye you have to hydrate yourself, have a little bit of low calorie. So that is where you can have some fruits or some vegetable salad. So jo calories kam milega aapko, any food that has very little calories, not cooked in fat, you can have. You need some sustenance energy fasting time mein. So 2 दिन में आप कुछ भी नहीं खाएंगे कि मतलब नहीं है, थोड़ा सा खाएगा, but you will have something which is less calories. Whereas in the other days, you will have your same calories, but you'll be conscious of what you're eating. So the secret is, खाली ध्यान देना चाहिए. Very simply, be conscious of it. अगर हम लोग एक दुकान जा रहे हैं, कुछ खरीदना चाह रहे हैं, हम लोग इतना ब्रांड देखते हैं ना, ये iPhone X-Side 10 है, ये फीचर क्या है, ये आता है, इतना देखते हैं. Okay? We can take care. And I'm telling you this not because I've always realized, people tell me I don't eat, I don't do this. Yes, but I'm very conscious because I don't lose out on my energy. You know, I make up what I've lost in something else. And that is more now than I've ever been. You know, sometimes you are a preacher rather than a practicer. Correct. And I become more conscious about what I have to do now. But when I talk, I put this into a total behavioral, motivational opportunity for people. अगर हमका motivation नहीं है, we will never change. एक दिन का तमाशा रहेगा, दूसरा दिन
responsible nutrition is what we were talking about, and it's truly responsible nutrition. They say you need to watch everything that goes into your mouth should be accounted
be conscious. Okay, मैं आज सुबह नहीं खाया, but let me have something like that. And you know, and sometimes, you know, I don't like to eat egg in any form. You know, sometimes an egg is good for me. What do I do? And so what I thought, okay, let me buy some supplements. Can I afford it? You'll have to also look at cost all the time. It's not that we are in an era of, we're all going through very, very tough times. Abhi jo, you know, people have to, some of them are losing jobs. Some of them have no facility to go and buy things. So we have to be conscious, and it's not a very difficult task to get good nutrition in a very affordable manner. And I know I saw your last session of cooking and saying how you can cook. There are very, very beautiful methods of cooking that can actually make it very, very nutritionally dense. For example, it is summer, okay? You should have, there are times you don't have so much appetite in summer, okay? So it's best to spread the meal into smaller portions, many meals, mini meals.
Right.
I'm a mini meal type. I can't eat at one go a big meal. I can eat small meals. I have an appetite. And that also shocks your body. The body knows एक कब खाएगा मुझे मालूम नहीं, मैं आराम नहीं करेगा उसको वेट डालने के लिए. So it's also acting in the same way as you're doing. So you're shocking your body all the time by changing your pattern of eating. अगर हम daily यही खा रहे, daily यही time खा रहे, body gets used to it. So earlier हम जब religion बात किया, fasting किया, many women would put on weight because of that fasting. Because when a woman fast or a man fast or anybody, क्या होता, उनका body will get used to that regimen or that routine. फिर उनका metabolism कम हो जाता. Body says, okay, she fasts. This is all she eats on these days. So let me lower my capacity of metabolism. So
it's like medicines also. That's why they change medicines also from time to time. वो एक ही drug को भी change कर देते.
Exactly. अब तब क्या हो रहा? So she starts having less food, and then her metabolism go down. Even a little incremental will make her put on weight, or he or her put on weight. No, I'm saying she more because most women fast, but that's why you'll find one of the reasons of putting on weight is also fasting if it is not done the wrong way. So हम लोग जो बात कर रहे हैं, this is the scientific way with its pros and cons. The cons are you will hungry, you will get headache. So be conscious when you're doing this intermittent fasting of what are the things that can go wrong. So hydrate yourself. Keep, having some low calorie food to munch so that you don't go into a very low energy state and you're tired. So the basic is weight gain is a problem for other lifestyle diseases.
Exactly.
But sometimes we are thin on the outside but fat on the inside. मैं बहुत देख चुका हूँ, कोई लोग होते हैं देखने में इतना परफेक्ट दिखेगा, वो ये मोटी भी नहीं है, इतना अच्छी दिखती है, but there will be a lot of fat deposit inside. Okay,
yes,
and
absolutely.
That is more dangerous. And that is why the Asians have that problem, because they are actually fat, but they don't show it on the outside. They are fat on the inside, where there could be some, problems because of that. And that affects their menstruation, their fertility capacity, their ovulation problem. All that are other side effects that you can have when you have a weight gain.
And also what happens often enough, what happens also is, I think we just take everything to one extreme and then concentrate our energy completely on that one thing. Agar weight loss hai to matlab wo weight loss ko hi chase karna hai. It's like looking at the scale and seeing how your scale is going to tip. That's it. What is involved is not something that we really consciously think about.
The food is something that it is very difficult. One of the reasons why weight loss ka interest we had was fashion, because people wanted to get into those clothes. Okay, that was more a driver. Okay, अगर हम बोला ये health reasons है, कोई सुनने वाले नहीं है, मैं देख लेंगे कब होगा, कब डायबिटीज आएगा, कब हार्ट डिजाइर देख लेंगे. अगर मुझे आ गया तो भी क्या है, मैं आज खा लेंगे. Okay, but if I want to wear that particular dress, वो party जाना है, मैं वो dress में fit on, and then you get that imagery need to lose weight. Or I know one girl who was getting married, and she went everywhere to get her weight loss done. And she went to that her body was actually detoxed and washed many times over. So that she was given some huge high fiber diet where a lot of things were flushed out. And she could, go into other nutritional deficiencies, which will come back to her later when she won't even be able to connect the reason to that particular short-term,
just that fancy for that time, just the fancy
for that time. Yeah.
And not realizing that you're beginning a new life with a complete, where your body is going to undergo hormonal changes, your lifestyle is going to undergo change, and there's going to be so much emotional, mental, physical variation. Uska aage tak ka koi nahi sochte. Exactly like you said, we are worried about getting into that lehenga for today and looking like the perfect size right now.
Yes, very, very important. And so I think let's begin with the intermittent fasting. Understand, because it's good but we should not mix नहीं करना चाहिए जो हम religious reason के लिए कर रहे थे उसमें थोड़ा science नहीं था because if you really look वो evening में break करते थे then they would eat only in the one meal or and then go back to bed but ये intermittent fasting में it gives you an opportunity to have at least 2 to 3 meals spread out okay it also tells you that आप उस food में you can have a lot of protein fiber, vegetables, salads, nuts to be had for proteins. Drink a lot of, hydrate yourself, not with high sugar drinks, but non-sugary drinks. And have some small snacks between, meals are usually not allowed, but you could have some healthy ones as in between meals that you can fill up. So it's a simple rule. मेरा पास इतना budget है 16 घंटा चलेगा 16 hours are gone 8 घंटे है 8 घंटे में कैसा संभालेंगे and it's not difficult okay instead of planning for 24 hours you're planning for that 8 hours और उसमें just to be conscious and saying that you're not nutritional deficient iron कमी है vitamin D वो सब देखने के लिए you'd have a supplement a multivitamin supplement that is not bad at all don't have every supplement but always consult your doctor अगर आप लोग underweight है don't do intermittent fasting you should be careful if you have any other problems like you are diabetic or something if you're on insulin you'll have to consult your dietitian or your doctor always sit through somebody who knows your body knows your condition and helps you and iski bana control your stress control your and have a good sleep ये सब holistic method है. One cannot act in isolation without the other.
Absolutely. That's the whole trouble. That's the whole trouble. We concentrate on one thing. हमारे साथ वही problem होती है कि एक चीज में दिमाग घुस गया तो घुस गया. What I'd like your comments on, we see a lot of these ads. In fact, आज ही I was looking at something where there were these ads about, intermittent fasting may you can do this, you can do that, use these apps, it helps you, celebrities use this to lose weight and all that jazz we get to hear. So a lot of us tend to read, how it is, hum log internet ke zamane mein hai where everybody, Google Rani is the queen of every bit of information.
Yes.
So what would your comments be on things, or a word of caution for people who depend on these spaces for information?
Very good question, Payal. I think you have touched on the real raw nerve. There is enough information on the website or on the internet, but all informations are not accurate. So therefore, taking a professional help always helps, because they will be able to screen and tell you what is the right information. Even हम लोग भी देखते हैं नोन टॉपिक में, हम लोग जब ये इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग में ऐसा नहीं, I just came and spoke to you. I did my own reading also to sort of refresh my own knowledge of when I'm going to talk to you, because each one question will be different. Not all books give you that. There's so many sites would actually contradict you. So you have to be careful. So please don't rely, if you're not an expert matter thing, don't rely on information that is available there. Go through reliable sources, because at the end of the day, you have to, be a little careful, because it's your body, it is your health, and it's an easy one. It's not a difficult. Earlier, hum log calorie count karo, ye karo, wo sab nahi chahiye. All you have to do is just be conscious, know what you're eating, see that it has variety there, it has got different colors in your food, it has different methods of cooking, and you're not using unhealthy foods. You're good enough to start with. If you really need hard help, go to a professional, a nutritionist or a dietitian, and you have plenty of good ones in India. And I miss that, because there's so much information and they spend a lot of time taking you, hand-holding you, and it's not so difficult to get help when there is help.
Absolutely.
So आप पढ़िए, देखिए, और वो questions को nutritionists के पास पूछिए, but don't come back confused and confusing your nutritionist also. Many times I get confused when some of them ask me questions which I know so well, subjects, but the questions that I get sometimes confuses me, that I'll have to take a pause
That's because
And
we all
come
think
back.
we are experts ना, हम लोग सब पढ़ते हैं इधर उधर, हम सब देखते हैं, तो we just presume कि you know वो information जो है is obviously correct, so then we have to teach
Exactly. Yes. And एक बार बोलते हैं ये नहीं खाने का, वो कैंसर हो जाएगा, ऐसे कब पढ़ा, कहाँ पढ़ा, आप जरा बता सकते हैं what context में वो लिखा जाते हैं, all that is very important. So why we are speaking about intermittent fasting is आजकल we are doing different types of fasting. People read something, have an app, आप सही बोला, we take a lot of apps and do it, but this is closer to a sustainable procedure where you can sustain your healthy weight loss. When you lose weight, it should be a healthy weight loss. And as I said, किसी को एक नंबर नहीं है, वो सही नंबर है. इसका healthy weight is not a healthy weight for another person.
Yes.
So you have to look at your own body in its own. It's a designer body. It's designed for you.
It is. Everyone
yourself.
has their own things. Absolutely.
Absolutely. So body imagery is so important to yourself, and you cannot be comparing with others. Sometimes हम लोग BMI देखते थे एक जमाने में, बहुत overrated BMI, because हम बोलते थे इतना कट ऑफ है तो अब overweight है, obese है, और एक बार क्या होता है, बहुत underweight रहेगा but very fat inside. So BMI is maybe a screening method, but it is not an accurate be all and end all method. उसके बाद हम देखना चाहिए वो इतना weight, muscle weight है, fat weight है, bone weight है. You cannot just say BMI as a factor to determine whether the person is overweight or underweight. And then don't promise anybody आप लेके 2 हफ्ते में weight lose हो जाएगा. Those weights come back to you.
Yes, that's what you see. All those things, so many of these ads that you see, and some medication or some tablets or something. There's perpetually something or the other that is being advertised as God's truth.
Yes, that is not something that we should fall trap for. Sometimes tradition has taught us a lot of lessons, but there are some situations that has changed. You know, like what we say is the experience has changed, the way we live has changed. So हम बोल नहीं सकते हमारा जमाने में हम इतना घी खाते थे, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. उतना वो जमाने में आप काम भी करते थे. Okay, खेती में जाके काम करते, अभी नहीं खाते. So there's no two things are alike anymore.
Absolutely.
Things have changed, and you have to adapt to it. Fabulous. But there are some interesting topics we can talk about it.
Yes.
But if you ask me as a sum up, what is intermittent fasting? It's fasting on sometimes and eating and sometimes, but shock your body by not being very, very regimented, and 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating. Eating healthy is the key word. Okay, or 5 days of fasting, eating, and 2 days of fasting, but no 2 consecutive days. It can be one.
No binge eating. No binge eating for 5 days and
no
fasting
binge,
for 2 days.
No. And if you want to do binge eating once in a while, okay, make yourself happy. That's what I say. But be conscious that you've done it so that you can say, don't deprive yourself of a body and trigger that deprivation within you. That will make you do. Like I know we were all nutritionists, and that is one of the things we used to have our conferences. But when we came back outside at lunch, we used to have jalebis and whole lot of stuff. And we used to say we are nutritionists here, but we're still doing it. And I think it took us some time to realize what we say and what we practice. And then I think after that, most of the conferences, they started becoming very conscious of what they were serving during lunch breaks or tea breaks. So it's just a matter of being conscious and then, doing the right thing. And I think I don't say I like it. I think when you look at different tools of managing your weight, intermittent fasting seems to be one option that you can try and explore and be consistent to see that you have a sustainable outcome.
Absolutely. That's what is most important. Sustaining something, whatever activity is taken on, the sustaining part of it is extremely important. I think this has really been interesting, and you've summed it all up for us really well. I'm sure कि हमारे listeners के पास बहुत सारे questions होंगे. आप लोग सब सुनिए और अपने questions बताइए, so we can have follow up, conversation with Malika ma'am and get a lot more of this. So for now, thank you so much, Malika ma'am. आपने इतनी late न्यूजीलैंड में बैठकर हमारे साथ ये time बिताया, and I'm sure this is going to trigger a lot of conversation, a lot of comments, and definitely a lot more to learn from you. So it's been wonderful having you here. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Thank you, Payal. Payal, you won't believe you're doing such a great job. And it is a privilege for me. I cannot express it in many words, but I feel very humbled to be able to even discuss this. Maybe, we can come back with questions. We'll
Absolutely.
be able to answer. But
we have lots. I have lots to learn from you. We are all going to be looking forward to learning a whole lot from you, ma'am.
And I always found when I talk to them about any other subject doesn't interest as much as weight management, even chefs, for somehow they get interested when we say, even I have put on weight, let's lose weight and things like that. And so this topic seems to be touching a nerve somewhere. And I think let's see how we go. Okay, thank you so much and God bless you.
हमारा एपिसोड आज का यहीं तक ही। इसको आपने सबने ध्यान से सुना होगा और आपको ये कैसे लगा हमको जरूर बताइए। आगे और क्या सुनना चाहेंगे एज ऑलवेज वो भी बताइए। जुड़े रहिए रसोई के रहस्य के साथ इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पर। अगली बार तक के लिए अलविदा।
रसोई के रहस्य आओ